Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this quick and easy balloon stand. So today I'm going to be using this balloon kit I got from the dollar store, and I have some 260 balloons, I have my balloon pump, and I have a single balloon that I'll be using to make a balloon weight. Now the balloons I have here, they are 12-inch balloons, and the kit is the kit that you would get if you buy a balloon stick from the dollar store. It comes with these balloons. And so guys, I did switch to the electric pump only because it's easier than the hand pump. It goes faster. So I'm going to be making dupes, and then I'm going to be making the dupes into quads. So when you inflate your balloons, please remember to press on the bottoms to round the balloons out while releasing some of the hair. For this balloon stand, I'll be using a total of 8 balloons and 1 foil balloon. Now I have my dupes ready. I'm going to be making them into the quads by connecting them at the neck and twisting. I'm going to be adding the balloon weight now, and all I did was to add water to one of the balloons, and I'm going to just tie it to one of the necks, and it's going to hold the base stable. I'm going to be doing the second layer now, and the process is the same to make a quad by connecting the dupes at the neck and twisting. I'm going to be using this 260 to connect both quads together, so I'm going to go ahead and tie it in the middle of this first layer. And please remember, guys, to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video, and please remember to like and subscribe for more amazing DIY videos like this. To connect the two layers, I'm going to be using the 260 balloon to wrap around one of the balloons in the first layer and one of the balloons in the second layer. So this is my foil balloon, and this came in the kit as well. It's a popcorn foil, and I think it looks really cute. So I'm using this today. So I'm going to inflate the foil, and then I'm going to add this next 260 to the tail, and this is what I'm going to use to attach it to my balloon stand. So I'm just going to roll it, and then I'm going to add a tape, and it's best to tape it in the H method just to make sure it stays in place. So I'm going to also tie it in a loop, and then I'm going to loop it around a balloon in the balloon stand. I'm just going to loop the foil balloon now over one of the balloons in the top layer, and just make sure that it's straight and stable in the middle. So this is the finished product, guys. It's very sturdy. Everything is all held together, and it turned out pretty great. So it's about 2.5 feet in height. It's on the floor, and that's about the height of this. You could always add more layers if you want it to be a little bit taller. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.